Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and yet again, it's your good old friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do is show you how to expand a background within Adobe Photoshop whilst keeping the elements of the original image. So what, in a sense, I would like to do here is increase the environment of this lady and increase the background. So what first of all we're going to do is just unlock that layer and come through and use the crop tool here. Keyboard shortcut is just the letter C. And what you should make sure you do before you start using the crop tool is use and tick the content aware fill option here. So if I click that there like so, and then when I start to resize, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut for Mac users, which is Option, and for Window users, that is Alt. If I start clicking and dragging there, I'm just going to increase the size of that background to a point like so. And then when I press enter or go to the tick up here, you'll notice it may take a couple minutes, couple seconds for it to work it out. But once it has done that, you'll see the result will be quite impressive and the environment will increase like so. That's the best way, guys, to increase the backgrounds of your images whilst trying to keep the environment bigger and realistic and non-fake looking. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website, guys, at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.